Welcome to MRIK Auto.
3, 2, 1, go!
So we got today this beautiful 2000 Honda Prelude. That's a super rare car, and also it's a super car. So it came up here for an engine swap. This engine have a knock on top. I don't know from where we have to take apart and dig apart where it is exactly, but the customer, they already got the replacement engine real hard because these engines are not exist on road anymore. This is a super rare car. I have a Ford technician working on my shop. They don't know the name of this car because this was before 2000s and one of the best car after Civic. So we are going to swap a motor on this car, and we have the motor, like it's not the same like that, but it come from another car in Acura's RSX. So we're going to swap a different motor with a different cam top. Those cams are not this one, they are different, and they do have the different manifolds on the back. So while we're going to replace this, we need to put the same manifold. We're going to take off the other motor's manifold and put these same ones on back. So let's see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so this car, the steering column is here, and we're going to replace it and see how it goes. We got it one from the 2013 C300, and that's a C350, the same steering column. One of our guys on it, and it's going to be ready by end of the day. And this car also coming for a safety. So steering column, play, any of the suspension link, they are a part of safety. Just to let you know, if your steering have a play and your front end, any of the part regarding to the suspension sway bar links, they have a play, that need to be changed before done for the safety. So this is here, and it's time to say final goodbye to one of our aged client. He's almost 90. And he's coming here anytime. We'll show you the excitement on the face of the guy who's going to pick it up. He was expecting us to make it like a brand new, and we did it. We rebuilt this Escalade 2000. Its motor is 350 L31. From top to bottom, we make a rebuild on that, and it sounds like so good. Let me show you how it sounds. So that's how MRIK Auto rebuild the engines. So if you guys do have any of the SUVs like that, or any of the old car, new car, German car, Italian car, we do all rebuilds. We are just call away from you guys. Give us a call and we help you with that. Let's move to the next car.
Just noticed the handoff.
Just grab it, accelerate. See the noise. How's that? Brand new?
Thank you, man.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
I just want you to be
Thank you.
blessing for me. All right? Drive. Let me. So we got this 2022 Mercedes BMW 350. Came up from a DIY mechanic from garage. So the guy got the right rotors from Mercedes, and he put the dirt cheap pads on both front and the back without sensors. So what happened? This car is driven like almost 65 Ks right now. So when they replace the brake, customer have a brake wear signal right on top when he just left the mechanic. So when we dig it out, he put the wrong parts, and it just making a squeaking sound and a really horrible ticking sound once we brake. It was like tuck 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 on that. When we check it out, the pads was smaller than the bracket size inside, so pad was being like this inside. So now, luckily the rotors was right size, but the pads wasn't. So both in the front and the back, we ordered the pad from Mercedes, and we already do the oil change on that one. Let me show you what we did. So we put the right Mercedes oil in it. It takes almost 7.5 something liter with a Haggis filter. So newer Mercedes, if you have a new Mercedes, so most of the newer ones takes Haggis filter or the Preflex one. We have both in stock, but the customer prefer the Haggis one. In MRIK Auto, always goes like whatever the customer picks, we put in that. So if you guys do have any of the Mercedes brand new ones and you want the brake service, fluid services, you can hit us up. Alrighty, so this 2014 BMW 328D, it's ready. The electric issue is solved on this one. So the reason being held was the DME was fried with the oil and everything. So we cleaned the DME and put some wiring was shorted. We replaced that, and now it's ready for the customer to pick it up. Another happy customer with a diesel engine. So if you guys do have any of the BMW X5s 3 Series diesel, hit us. We'll happy to help you out. Alrighty guys, so we already installed the new brake pads on this. So luckily the rotors was good, but the pads was little smaller than expected. So before we're gonna hand over to the customer, we're just going to make sure that the ride is smooth. Before than that, when the vehicle came in, it come up with a check brake wear, because the other place where they put the previous pad, they forget to put the brake sensors. So we installed the brake sensors with the new pads, right fitment, and now we are just going to make a test drive and see if everything sounds good. Before it was so insane and literally feels like you are riding a train, and the train rails, they make that sound. So right now it's nice and tidy, smooth, no problem at all, and no dash signs on it. Everything is cleared. So we carry the most advanced softwares on Mercedes new, like this is the 2022 or 3 I think. So to work on the most newer Mercedes, BMWs or Audis, feel free to come to our shop. We have the updated BMW, Mercedes or Audis. Every software you name it, we'll do that. And now it sounds good, and there's no extra noise on it. The weather is good today, so that's the reason I rolled down the windows, but we'll make sure that the windows are up and they're gonna be absolutely no sound, and it runs smooth. I just love the front dash on it. That is the main thing I love about this car. It's like a G-Wagon. So that is the first thing I love about G-Wagon when they come in 2019, the first time with this big display. But now this year, it's almost in every single Mercedes, they give this much big display. It looks so good. And the interior is, like, no doubt, it's absolutely outstanding. Music is good on this car. So if you're thinking to buy this car, it's a good option, and it's reliable. And the body on this car is a little heavier than the previous model. This truck is a little heavier, and the material on the suspension parts, it's good too. So it's a nice truck. And also today is a Saturday, so on Saturdays we mostly go for lunch orders, and we'll see if the pizza is ready or not. Let me just check the status of the pizza. We ordered from the Pizza Hut today, and let's see if they make it ready for us, or we just have to wait for. Not yet, so we have to come back. It's right here, near to the shop. So we mostly eat pizza on Saturdays, or something else, but most of the time we eat pizzas. So if you want the pizza slice, you can just swing by the shop and have one and enjoy the weekend. And yeah, we are just going head back to the shop, and we're going to make this car ready and call customer to pick it up today, as today is almost 12:30. So on Saturdays mostly we close by 2 o'clock. Sometime it goes 2:30 if the job is a little longer, but most likely we are till 2 o'clock. Yeah. And the reason, most of the shops here in London, they open, some of the people, they open till 7 on Saturdays, and they're still open on Sundays, but I didn't find a point to get open on Saturday late or Sundays, because eventually there is no parts store open, and you're not going to get anything unless you have everything stocked out, which none of the shop over I see, they don't have it. What, like, the max they have is the oil filters or maybe brake pads. Nobody stock the rotors, and most of the Saturday Sunday calls are like breakdown on the vehicle which needs a drop off to diagnose it. So that is the reason we don't open on Sundays, because if no part store is open, there's no point of us to be here, because eventually we're not going to get the parts and make the job done. So that is the reason we open till 2 o'clock, because two of the last call stores, they are open till 2 o'clock. So we just follow that. That's it. If in the future we got some other stores opening like whole 7 days, we'll think about that to work on Saturday, Sundays, full day. But for now, it's just Monday to Friday 8 to 5, or Saturdays 9 to 2 o'clock. And that's it. So we heading back to the shop, and we're going to call customer. Car is ready. So we have this beautiful 2016 Range Rover. That's the rear car with a diesel engine. So it's a V6. This engine calls TD6, and it's 250k something, and due on the timing belt. So any of the Range Rovers with the diesel engines, they equip with a timing belt, not the chain. So timing belt need to change out every 150. So this car is right now close to 260 something, and the belt need to change, and it's falling apart. We already checked it out. It's a lot of cracks on the belt. It can break anytime. So if it breaks anytime, that means the engine is gone. It's going to be seized right away, and you're looking for a new engine for make this car up on the road back. And we did the oil change, and now this car have a diesel filter change pop up on the dash. So let me show you what it is. So this is the Land Rover ones, and this need to be changed probably every 60,000 kilometers. And this was changed last time from Range Rover, and this time we're going to change with the same part. So see this, it's made in Bulgaria. So it's imported exact same part, and actually better part, because the Hangus is the better performance filter. Yeah. So we're going to change it with a brand new one. So if you guys do have any of the Range Rovers and you want to do the regular services, you can name it. We'll do that, and hopefully this customer gonna pick it up by end of the day. And also we have to do the all 4x4 fluid services on this one as it's pending. So that's what we're gonna do. If you guys do have any of Range Rovers, Land Rovers, feel free to hit us up. We'll happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Your love seems in the view. And for more, just subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.